Hello friends, welcome to Tips and Tricks in Mathematics. This is for class 12 students and the topic of discussion is continuity and differentiability. In this video, we will be focusing on NCERT solutions for exercise number 2. In the first problem, we need to differentiate this function y equal to sine x square plus 5. So how do we do? We know the chain rule earlier defined in our earlier videos. So we can let this as t. Then derivative of y with respect to t is dy by dt equal to cos t. Now we also find derivative of t with respect to x. So dt by dx will be 2x. Derivative of x square is 2x and derivative of y is 0. So through chain rule we can get dy by dx equal to dy by dt into dt by dx. So this is equal to cos x square and into 2x, which is 2x cos x square. In future we will not be showing all these steps. Directly we can directly do like this: dy by dx, derivative of sine x square plus y is cos. This phi also will be there here, because t is x square plus y. Directly we will be doing like dy by dx equal to cos x square plus y into derivative of this term, which is 2x. So we will not be showing all these steps in future. You should do directly. That is the easiest way, because for some complicated problems, if you follow the chain rule, it becomes more difficult. Now dy by dx for this problem, how do we do? Cos of x is, or cos of sin x is minus sin x. Derivative of cos is minus sin, that's what we have written, and inside term as it is we have written, into derivative of sin x, into derivative of this sin x, which is cos x. So this will be minus cos x into sin of sin x. That's all. Again, derivative of ax plus b alone is a. Derivative of b is 0, so that we'll keep in mind. Now dy by dx, sine of function is, its derivative is cos ax plus b into derivative of ax plus b. For b, derivative is 0, ax derivative is a into a. So we get answer as a cos ax plus b. What is the derivative of sec x? Sec x is sec x tan x. So we are following that. So we write dy by dx equal to derivative of sec x is sec x tan x. Sec x, x is tan root x into tan root x. Now we need to find derivative of tan root x. What is derivative of tan of a number or tan of a variable is x square. So we write this as x square root x. Now derivative of root x into 1 over 2 root x. That is the derivative of root x. So this is our final answer. That's all. This is the derivative. Now we use the formula here. Let this be u, this be v. Then we know that the derivative is v square, denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator. We are going to use this formula directly. So dy by dx equal to denominator the whole square, cos square cx plus d, denominator into derivative of numerator. Numerator derivative is cos ax plus b into a. So a into cos ax plus b into cos cx plus d minus numerator into derivative of denominator, which is minus sine cx plus d into c. So into c minus sine cx plus d. So what is this? We can simplify this. This minus minus will become plus, this minus and this minus will become plus, and denominator we can break it as cos cx plus d into cos cx plus. So this can be written like this: a cos ax plus b cos cx plus d divided by cos cx plus d into cos cx plus d plus sin ax plus b sin cx plus d divided by cos cx plus d cos cx plus d. So this will get cancelled. So this we can write it as a cos ax plus b. 1 over cos cx plus d is sec cx plus d. Let us see here. One c term also will be coming here. Plus c. Let us see what we can do. So sin cx plus b by cos cx plus d. This is tan cx plus d. So we can write this as plus c sin ax plus b, and these two terms we can write tan cx plus d, and only term this 1 over cos can be written as secant cx plus d, sec cx plus d. So this is the final answer. So this we know how to do it. These are two functions multiplying each other. So we can write this, say u equal to cos x cube. What will be its derivative? U dash will be minus sine x cube into derivative of x cube, which is 3x square. Similarly, let v equal to sine square x power 5. What will be the derivative of that? Sine square will be two sine x power 5 into cos x power 5 into derivative of x power 5 is 5x4. So this is how we got this. Derivative of sine square x power 5 is 2 sine. This can be written like this: sine x power 5 the whole square. This is sine. So 2 into sine x power 5, 2 minus 1 into derivative of sine x power 5, which is cos x power 5, into derivative of x power 5, which is 5x4. So now we just substitute in the formula that dy by dx is uv dash plus vu dash. We just put it there. So we get dy by dx as 10x power 4, 5 into 2 is 10, so 10x power 4 cos we will multiply these two. U into v dash. This is u and this is v dash. So we multiply that. Cos x cube sine x power 5 into cos x power 5. Now we multiply v into u dash. V is this into u dash. So minus sign will come minus 3x square into into sin x cube into sin square x power 5. So this is the final answer. Differentiate the function with respect to x. So we can easily write dy by dx 2 into this 2 into derivative of this. Derivative of any root, it will be 1 over 2 of that root. So this is the formula you should remember. So 2 into 1 by 2 into cot x square. So this, using this formula, derivative of root x is 1 over 2 root x. This you should remember always. So we got this as 1 over 2 into derivative of cot x square. Now cot x square derivative also we need to do. What is the derivative of cot x square? Into minus cosecant x square into derivative of x square, which is 2x. This we can cut. So these two will get cancelled. So we will get minus 2x cosecant x square divided by square root of cot x square. This is the answer. What is the derivative of y equal to cos square root of x? So we will write dy by dx cos function derivative is minus sine root x into derivative of root x. We have told you earlier derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. So this is the answer. We can write it minus sine root x by 2 root x. That the function given by f of x equal to mod x minus 1 is not differentiable at x equal to 1. So how we can write this mod function? We know by definition f of x is equal to, we can write this, x minus 1. Mod x minus 1 is x minus 1 for x minus 1 greater than 0 and minus x minus 1 when x minus 1 is less than 0. So this can be further written as x minus 1 x greater than 1. This we can expand, minus x plus 1 x less than 1. This is 1. So we got this expression. Now we want to find derivative at x equal to 1 from left side and right side. So let us f of dash at x equal to 1 from left side. So left side means we use this function, we use this value. So derivative of this at x equal to 1. So we are finding derivative of this is from left side is minus 1. Derivative of minus x is minus 1. Similarly, f dash x from right side, we are finding from the right side means from this function derivative is 1. So the left hand derivative is not equal to right hand derivative. The function is not differentiable at x equal to 1. Friends, with this we conclude this video. Please like and subscribe my channel so that in future more videos can be released to you instantaneously. Thank you very much, friends.